Mini Plant Oxford celebrates the start of production of the Mini Cooper convertible for the first time since 2015. The model joins the Mini Cooper 3-door and Mini Cooper 5-door, making Mini Plant Oxford the home of the Mini Cooper family. Announced last month, the 4th generation Mini Cooper convertible includes a completely new interior and exterior design, as well as a state-of-the-art digital experience. 3 UK BMW Group manufacturing sites contribute to the Mini Cooper convertible. BMW Group plant Swindon produces the body pressings and subassemblies, while the latest 4-cylinder petrol engines are built at BMW Group plant Hams Hall in North Warwickshire. Finally, these parts come together at Mini Plant Oxford, where body shell production, paint, and final assembly take place. Following the relaunch of the Mini brand in 2001, the first Mini convertible was unveiled in 2004, and has remained an icon of the Mini family ever since. With 160,000 vehicles built at Mini Plant Oxford from 2004 to 2008, the first generation Mini convertible was known for its retro styling and iconic chrome rollover arches behind the rear seats. The second generation, unveiled in 2009 with 165,000 built at Mini Plant Oxford until 2015, kept the iconic drop-down hinged boot, but gained the evolved styling of the Cooper from that era. Production of the model was briefly moved to VDL Nedcar for the third generation, making room for the Mini Clubman at Mini Plant Oxford. Over 150,000 convertible models were produced at Nedcar until production stopped in 2023, before production returned to Mini Plant Oxford. Mini Plant Oxford celebrated its 110th anniversary in 2023. The same year, the plant produced over 20% of all UK manufactured cars. As one of the oldest automotive plants in the world, Mini Plant Oxford has been in continuous production since 1913. Like what you see, check out more content on this channel at the end of this video, and thanks for watching.